Hello students, today we are going to continue exercise 7.1. I am going to explain you sum number 3. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. In previous sum, we have find that smallest number by which you will multiply to obtain a perfect cube. But now in this sum number 3, we need to find that smallest number by which you must be divided to obtain the perfect cube. Same way, firstly you have to make the factors of the given number. Now I am going to explain you part 4, that is 192. Firstly, we have to make the factors of 192. Check this. It is divisible by 2 or not. At last, even number is there. So, we can say this number is divisible by 2. When you will divide this number by 2, you will get 96. Same, again 96 is divisible by 2. When you will divide, you will get 48. Similarly, 48 when you will divide by 2, you will get 24. 24 is divisible by 2, you will get 12. And 12 is divisible by 2, you will get 6. 6 is divisible by 2, you will get 3. Now 3 is not divisible by 2, so we can take 3, 3, 1, 3. Now, what prime factors of 192 which you got 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Means, again I am telling you, which factors you got? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Means you got 2 thrice, again 2 thrice. Now 3 is only single time. We need to make the triplet. In this triplet of 2 is there firstly, then again triplet of 2. Now 3 is only single time. So, we can say 3 is the smallest number by which 192 is divided to make a perfect cube, because it is not in the form of triplet. Now, fifth part, 704. Firstly, you have to make the factors of 704. You will get the prime factors of 704. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. These are the factors of 704. In this, when you will make the triplet, firstly 2 is in the form of triplet, again 2 is in the form of triplet, 11 is not in the form of triplet. So we can say 704 must be divided by 11 to make it a perfect cube. I hope all of you understood. Now you can do remaining parts. Now I am going to explain you sum number 4. Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5 cm, 2 cm, 5 cm. These are the sides of cuboid. How many such cuboid will he need to form a cube? This cuboid he want to make a form, then how many cuboid he need to make a cube? Firstly, what is given to you? These are the sides of a cuboid. So, what will be the volume of cuboid? 5 into 2 into 5, length into breadth into height. When we have to make a cube, then we need all factor in the triplet form. In this, 5 is 2 times and 1 is only single time. So we need 2 times more. 2, 5 into 5, it is 2 times. Now 1 more 5 we need to make triplet form. And 2 only once, it is, you will take 2 times more, then it will be formed in the triplet. Means we need 1 more time 5 and twice we need 2. So we can say 5 into 2 into 2 you will get 20. So what we can say, he needs 20 cuboids to form a cube. I hope all of you understood. Now you can complete your exercise. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.